Hi guys, it's Michelle again, and I know this is sooner than I thought it would be for another video, but there's just something that I feel like that it should be shared, because even though it might not be your reality at the moment, it's someone else's. When you've decided to get tested for huntingtons, there might be the possibility where people might start treating you differently. They might just start acting weird around you, or if it's your significant other, not holding you, touching you, but a lot of it has to do with them not understanding what's going on. You can always try talking to them, but sometimes it doesn't always work. And, the only thing you really can do is just be strong. You could be one of those people where you're always strong for everybody else, and now you've reached the point in time where you've got to be strong for yourself. I myself am one of the definitely one of those people, and it's a lot harder than I thought, trying to be strong for myself. And I just want you to know that even if those people do start treating you differently, it's not you. It's just the lack of knowledge, the lack of understanding, and you're gonna be mad at them. You're gonna be fucking pissed at them. And, you can always try to educate them and further inform them of what's going on, what's going to be going on, and what may happen in the result of a positive outcome, or even a negative outcome. But I want you to know that it's not your fault. Don't even think about beating yourself up over it, because in the end, it's not worth it. It really isn't. Because you can push and shove and lead a horse to water, but you can't make them drink. If they want to be there, then they'll be there. If not, then just let it be. Because, there's a reason for everything. If they weren't meant to be there, then they won't be there. But just remember, you always, always, always have those people that are there for you, who you can talk to, and that love you no matter what the outcome is. And those are the kind of people you want in your life. Those are the kind of people that down the road will still love you. And you want to make sure that you cherish it. You cherish them. Well, on another note, I've kind of slowly been figuring out how to cope with this, and it hasn't been easy. I've just been keeping myself very busy, and yes, I vape, because it's better than, I shouldn't say better, but it's a little bit better than smoking cigarettes. And cigarettes used to be my coping mechanism, and since I recently quit, I don't have that anymore. I don't have my little smoke break every now and then. But, just finding something else to help you cope with this really does help. And alcohol is not a good coping mechanism at all. Doing drugs is not a good coping mechanism. And if you find yourself down that road, I get it. It's hard. This is one of the hardest things you'll probably have to go through in your life. And, you just gotta think that you gotta pick yourself up by the bootstraps and just do what you can. For me, my coping mechanisms are keeping myself incredibly busy and just fully engulfing myself in my dogs. And work, that's another one. Working as much as I can just to keep myself busy, mainly because I don't know what else to do. It's the only thing I know how to do. And slowly figuring out that because my mind is just racing at 1,000 miles a minute, and what the outcome might be, and what's going to happen if this outcome comes out, or what's going to happen if this other outcome comes out, and it's making it a little hard to sleep. I mean, granted, I'm still sleeping, but not very well and not very much. And if you are having that problem, it would definitely be a good idea to go talk to your physician and see if there isn't anything you can't do, or start doing some changes in your life, like healthy eating habits, no smoking, exercising. And another thing that's been very helpful is keeping my stress levels to about as minimum as it can possibly be, which is not an easy thing. Because, there's going to be those times where something is going to happen and it's going to stress the hell out of you. But the only thing you can do is just take a deep breath and just let it roll off your back. Well, I guess that's it for today. Bye, guys.